Hi guys, we do have a Rally 200 engine case here. Yeah, it's pretty messed up, and we have classic damage here under the clutch, on the clutch side. This CIRCLIP got loose because the thing is here, cast iron broke. That happens a lot. This is not a big issue because you can get this. That's a metal that you just fix with 3 screws, and it will perfectly replace the CIRCLIP and hold the bearing in the right spot. Same function as the original CIRCLIP. It's a 5mm drill. Go slow, no need to hurry. The drill also will live long. We're gonna take a 6mm screw, which is 10mm long. So go easy on it and measure. There's enough meat. Well, that's fine. It's a 3mm drill. This is so close to the bearing seat. You really have to be careful. Don't use a normal drill. Now we have to cut a thread in it. It's a 6. Cut there. Is that straight? I hope so.
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?